Oh, this is a question from vectors. The needed formula here would be the box product. So we need the box product of, sorry, the cross product of two vectors. This simply is P1 Q1 R, sorry, P1 P2 P3, or rather Px Py Pz Qx Qy Qz. This is the cross product of P vector and Q vector. So let's go. We are given P vector and Q vector, and then we are given that this vector is equals to alpha times 2P vector, that is 4 comma 2 comma 6, plus Q vector, which is 1 comma minus 1 comma 1, plus beta times P vector minus 2Q vector, which is 2 comma 1 comma 3 minus comma minus 2 comma 2, plus gamma times P cross Q vector. Let's quickly find P vector Q cross Q vector. It becomes I j k comes to 1 3. This becomes 1 minus 1 1. So this becomes I into this minus this into this, which is 1 minus minus 3 minus j, this into this minus this into this, which is 2 minus 3 plus k, this, sorry, this into this minus this into this, is minus 2 minus 1. 4i vector 4i cap plus j cap minus 3 k cap. So we substitute this here, and now we are asked for the value of gamma. So this becomes alpha times 5 comma 1 comma 7. This becomes beta times 0 comma minus 1 comma, sorry, 0 comma 3 comma 1. This is gamma into 4 comma 1 comma minus 3. So we get 15 is equals to 5 alpha plus 4 gamma. 10 is alpha plus 3 beta plus gamma, and 6 is 7 alpha plus beta minus 3 gamma. Now these are 3 equations and 3 variables. Let's find gamma. 15 minus 4 gamma equals to 5 alpha. Using these 3 equations, let's substitute beta. For that, we'll multiply this equation by 3 to get 18 equals to 21 alpha plus 3 beta minus 9 gamma. Now we'll subtract this equation from this equation. We'll get, or rather, this equation from this equation. So we'll get 18 minus 10, that is 8, equals to 21 alpha minus alpha is 20 alpha. 3 beta gets cancelled. minus 10 gamma. Minus 10 gamma minus gamma is minus 10 gamma. So we have 8 plus 10 gamma equals to 20 alpha. 20 alpha is 4 into 5 alpha. And we have 5 alpha is 15 minus 4 gamma. This gives us 8 plus 10 gamma equals to 60 minus 16 gamma, which gives us 26 gamma equals to 52. Gamma is 2. So the answer is 2.